This is a reblogging, guys. This is 4.9 hectares, no, for 3.5 million pesos. Negotiable. Located in Barangay Candelaria, Daguhoy, Bohol. So this is a good property along the river. So nindot ni siya, guys. It's along the river. It has trees, assorted trees. Then there are also mango trees around the area, approximately 40 mango trees. Then there are also Gemellina trees that can be used in if you are building a house. Then the property is along the river. So when you build a house, guys, there are you can use directly, no, the sands in the river free, for free. So maninindot, guys, kung natay mag-develop ta dire for free ra gyud ang ato ang kansa, libo ra gyud ang bayaran. So then it has also a rice field, no, there are portions of rice field. Then banana trees also and several coconut trees. Natay taas nga video ani, guys, you can locate also, no, kay again there was also a buyer pero murag na something nagwa magkasabot, no, pero sige lang kay karon ato gyud ni posigir nga possible mapangitaan gyud, no, o interested buyer, no, prospect, no. So mao ni siya, guys, ang property. So kini nga rice field not included, it's the adjacent kirira murag ongoing ay ang trabaho. Pero nindot na kini, guys, approximately 2 kilometers away from National Highway. So this is the river, guys. Nindot kini. Makagamit ra ka diha, pwede ka maliguan. Pwede maliguan ang river. You can swim on that river, no? So it's clean river, no? No piggery around. So nindot kayo. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel.